Hi children. So in this video today we are going to discuss about that the second concept of fundamental number theory. Okay. So here the first concept is units place digit. Units place digit. But before going to discuss about that concept, here I will ask you one question. Okay. For example, 2 power 1 is there, then what is that value for the 2 power 1? 2 power 1 means 2 is there only one time, so its value is equals to 2 only, no? Okay. So 2 square, what is the value of 2 square? 2 square means 2 multiplied itself by 2 times. Yes or no? So here that value is equals to 4. And 2 cube. So 2 cube means 2 multiplied itself by 3 times. Yes or no? Okay. So here that is 8. 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8. And 2 power 4 is equals to, what you will get here 2 power 4? 2 power 4 is equals to 16, which means 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8, 8 2's 16. 2 multiplied itself by 4 times, then what you will get it as a resultant? That is 16. Next 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 means 2 multiplied itself by 5 times, then what is the resultant? 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8, 8 2's 16, 16 2's 32. Yes or no? Okay, what is the value of 2 power 6? What is the meaning of 2 power 6? 2 multiplied itself by 6 times, then what is the resultant? So 2 multiplied up to 5 times means the resultant is 32. So 32 multiplied by 2 means then here its resultant is 64. Yes or no? And so on, like this way we can write up to 2 power n, right? Up to 2 power n. Okay, here my question is, here I kept that heading as units place digit. So what about that units place digit? So units place digit is nothing but ones place digit only, no? For example, that number is 7456. So here units place is nothing but the last digit of a given number or ones place digit. Okay, what is that? Last digit of a given number or ones place digit, we will call it as a units place digit. Okay, units place digit. So here what is the use with this concept? Okay, before learn this concept, what is the use with that? Why we need to learn this concept? Because just observe this one. Here 2 power 1 is there means 2. 2 power 2 is equals to 4. 2 power 3 is equals to 8. So up to here we are having that only single digit numbers. So here 2 power 4 means 16 is there. So, okay, in 16, what is the last digit of a 16? 6. That is 6 only, no? What is the units place digit in the number 16? What is the units place digit? That is 6 only, no? Or what is the ones place digit of a number 16? What is that ones place number? Ones place digit? That is 6 only, no? Okay, so here we can say, what? Come to that 32. Here what is that last place digit or units place digit or ones place digit in that 32? What is that number? What is the digit? That is 2 only, no? Okay, here we can say. And 2 power 6. In 2 power 6, what is that units place digit? My question is, in 2 power 6, what is that units place digit? So after taking the result of 2 power 6, which digit is there in its units place digit, we have to say. Okay, so 2 power 6 value is equals to 64. So units place digit is 4. So easily we can say. Here my question is 2 power 2024. 2 power 2024. What is the meaning of 2 power 2024? 2 multiplied itself by 2024 times. Okay, it is not possible to count like this, right? So after that multiplication you will get one of the resultant. No, in that resultant what is that units place digit I want? Okay, did you understand my question? Again I am asking here, see here, if that number is having the 2 power 6, 2 power 5, 2 power 4, 2 power 10, those all numbers means easily we can say that which digit is there in its units place after simplification. Here my question is, what is that value for 2 power 2024 value I required, and in that value I want to know that what is that units place digit. Okay, how you will get that? Here you will use that method as 2 into 2 into 2 into like that up to 2024 times. Is it possible to take like that? Okay, it will take that more time. Okay, just I want to know that which digit will come in its units place. Then how you will get? Okay, like this way means one whole day will be finished. Okay, then also I will not say that I will not give that guarantee you will get that correct answer. Okay, so that's why in that cases we can use that the concept units place digit. Okay, by using this concept how we can find this value. At the last after explanation of this one I will tell you what is the value of 2 power 2024 units place digit I will tell you. Okay, so let us see that 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Once observe that units place digit, here we can write that 02, 04, 08. Single digit numbers like that only we can represent, no? Okay, 02. What is that units place digit? 2. Here units place digit is 4. Here units place digit is 8. And here units place digit is 6. Next, here units place digit is 2. Here this is 4. 2 power 7 is equals to 128 and 2 power 8 is equals to 256. Yes or no? Those are the values. Okay, here units place digit is 8, here 6. Once observe the pattern, up to 2 power 1 to 2 power 4 we are having units place digits are 2, 4, 6, 8. Once you observe the leftover 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6 and 2 power 7, 2 power 8. Okay, here again you can observe that 2, here next you can observe that 4, here you can observe that 8 and next you can observe that 6. Yes or no? So again here this is in repetition or not? Again this is in repetition only, no? Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 like that, that is in repetition only. So for every how many steps we are getting that repetition digits? For every how many steps? For every 4 steps. For every 4 steps we are getting that repetition step. That's why here the number should be, its powers should be divided by 4. That is the reason. Okay, where I will tell you that 4, just listen. Okay, so that's why for every 4 steps we are getting that. Here 4 you will get that, you can observe that 2, 4, 8, 6. Next again 2, 4, 8, 6. Next 2 power 9, that is 2 power 9 value, 2 power 9 value is equals to 512. 2 power 10 value is equals to 1024. Okay, next 2 power 11 value is equals to, that is 2 4 8, 2 2 4 0 and 2. Okay, so again you can observe that 2 4 8 6. 2 4 8 6 pattern again you can observe now here. So here also after 4 steps, next again after 4 steps again you will get that same pattern 2 4 8 6. Okay, so for every 4th step, for every 4 steps we are getting that repetition numbers. Okay, that's why here we will discuss about that. If the number is in the form of 2 power n, if the number is in the form of 2 power n, then what is that units place digit? Then the last digit, the last digit in the expansion of 2 power n. Okay, this one we will discuss. This is the first sub concept, that is the last digit in the expansion of 2 power n. If the given numbers are in the form of 2 power n, if the given numbers are in the form of 2 power n, then what is that last digit? 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4 like that there means easily we can say. If the 2 power 2024, how you can say? So here just observe that 2 power 4k plus 1 and 2 power 4k plus 2, 2 power 4k plus 3 and here 2 power 4k or 2 power 4n also you can take. Okay, here n or k you can take that. Here k is equals to, we can take that k is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. K belongs to a natural number. Here k is a natural number. Okay, if that numbers are in this form, first given number first you have to convert in this form, then you can say that units place digits. If that given number is in the form of 2 power 4k plus 1, then that units place digit is 2. Then that units place digit is 2. I will tell you that one. Okay, if that given number is in the form of 2 power 4k plus 2, then here the last digit is 4. The last digit of that number in that resultant number, without saying also we can say this one, without simplifying this all. Okay, so here if the number is in the form of 2 power 4k plus 3, then the last place digit, units place digit is 8. And here if that number is in the form of 2 power 4k, then the last place digit is 6. Okay, without simplifying, first convert that expansion, first convert that 2 power n or 2 power k value into the form 4k plus 1. Okay, 2 power n, first convert that expansion into that 2 power 4k plus 1 or 2 power 4k plus 2 or 2 power 4k plus 3 or 2 power 4k. First convert that expansion. After that, if that expansion is in any one of the form, easily any one of that digit you will get it as a last digit. Okay, I will tell you that. For example, 2 power 18. Easy value first I will tell you. 2 power 5. 2 power 5. Easiest value first we will take. 2 power 5. So first 5 divided by 4 you have to do that. Why? Because for every 4 steps now. Okay, that's why. So 4 ones 4. So 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So we can write this one as 2 power 4 plus 1. 2 power 4 plus 1. So here 2 power 4 into 2 power 1. So 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. 16 to 32, you know that. 32 only, no? So what is that units place digit here? Okay, now this is in the form of 4k means 4 into 1 only, no? So 4k plus 1. Now 2 power 5 first I changed it into that expansion 2 power 4k plus 1. Now the value is 32. Okay, so what is its units place digit here? 2 only, no? That's what I am saying here, 2. Is it clear? Okay, another number I will take here. 2 power 9 I am going to take. 2 power 9. Okay, so 2 power 9 you can write it as 2 power 4 2s are 8 plus 1. Shall we take like that? 4 2s are 8 plus 1. So now this is in the form of 2 power again 4k plus 1 only, no? Okay, so this one you can take it as 4 2s are 8. Power 8 into 2 power 1. So 2 power 8 value is equals to 256. 256 into 2 is equals to 512. 512. So what is its units place digit here? 2 only, no? When you get this 2 as in its units place, if that expansion is in the form of 2 power 4k plus 1. So 4k plus 1, what is its units place digit here? 2 only, no? That's what we got there also. Okay, that's why first given number convert into that expansion any one of the form, that is the 2 power 4k plus 1 or 2 power 4k plus 2 or 2 power 4k plus 3 or 2 power 4k plus 4. That one only we can write it as 2 power 4k. Okay, so after that you will write that number easily. Okay, at starting I asked you one question. Now what is that? 2 power 2024. 2 power 2024. What is that units place digit? I asked you that. So first 2024 should be divided by 4. So 2024 divided by 4. Then how you will get? What you will get? 4 5 20 0 4 6 24. 4 into 506 is equals to 2024. So we can express this number as 2 power 4 into 506. 2 power 4 into 506. Now this is in the form of 2 power 4k only, no? Here k is equals to 506. Now this is in the form of 2 power 4k. Okay, if the number is in the form of 2 power 4k, what is that units place digit? That is simply 6. Okay, if you remember this chart in your brain, then easily you can write that any units place digit. Okay, just by heart this one, or if you don't want to by heart, just I am saying that don't by heart. If you maybe forgot that process at that time, this is useful. Okay, mostly don't go for that by heart. Mostly try to learn that how you will get this one. By using this method only we are getting these all values. Okay, so follow that method. Clear? So for that 3 power n, so how you will take that 3 power n? Just say that for the 3 power n, the next one, the last digit in the expansion of, the last digit in the expansion of 3 power n. So 3 power n also we can observe that like that only for every 4 steps you will get that same repetition. Okay, just try yourself. So here if that number is in the expansion of 3 power 4k plus 1 or 3 power 4k plus 2 or here 3 power 4k plus 3 or here 3 power 4k, if any one of that form, then what are those last digits? If that number is in the form of 3 power 4k plus 1, then its units place digit is 3. Okay, and here this is 3 square. 3 square means 9. Okay, next this is 3 cube. 3 cube means 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So 7 is that units place digit. And here 7 3 is how much, that is 1. 21, no? So that's why. How madam you are writing this all, you by hearted or not? Maybe you may get the doubt. I didn't by heart, just say that. I will tell you that the concept. Here this is 3 power 4k plus 1, no? 3 power 4k plus 1. How you will write this one? 3 power 4k into 3 power 1. Yes or no? Okay, in that number system concept I told you that I used that one of the formula, that is a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n only, no? This formula I use it here again. Okay, so this one 3 power 4k, whatever it may be, leave that value. Just 3 power 1 value consider it, that value is equals to 3. Okay, here also just observe that 3 square value. 3 square is equals to 9, that is 9. Units place digit means a single digit only you have to consider. Okay, and here this is 3 cube you have to observe. 3 cube is equals to 27. You have to take that last place digit you are considering, no? So that's why units place digit, that is 7. Okay, now here this is in the form of 4k, which means 4 power n. So here you can say that 3 power 4 value is equals to how much? That is nothing but 81. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. So here what is that units place digit? That is 1. Is it clear? So in this way we have to write that this is all units place digits. For every number this is common only. Okay, so my doubt is the 3 power 191. 3 power 191. What is that? Units place digit after that expansion of 3 power 191. So just convert that number into the form of 4k plus 1 or 4k plus 2 or 4k plus 3 or 4n or 4k. Okay, so this is 4 into how much? 4 4 16. Okay, still 31 is there. 31 is there means 4 8s 32. So 4 7s you have to take. 4 7s 28. Okay, so 4 7s 28. 4 4 16 plus 2 is equals to 18. 188. So 191 minus 188 is equals to 3. Okay, 189, 190, 191, 3. So plus 3. Is it clear? Like this way you have to change that expansion. 3 power 4k plus 3. 4 into 47 is equals to 188. 188 plus 3 is equals to 191. Now here you have to observe that 3 cube. 3 cube means that is 27. So its units place digit is 7. That's it. Okay, no need to solve that. This is easy concept only, no, here. Okay, so in this video we discussed about that units place digits, in that expansions 2 power n and 3 power n. Okay, in that next video we will discuss about that remaining leftover digits. Okay.